Hello, Skipper Abel here, and welcome to this video which I've called Merging Worlds. And as this title may suggest to you, the theme here will be one of how I intend introducing Second Life as a working application area that avoids the requirements of the technical mashing with other real-world applications, and instead is used as much in an attempt to reduce the inevitable techno shock of yet another suite of software applications falling onto a community of users. And here I do refer specifically to users and not Second Life builders or Second Life coders. I suggest in fact making use of some of the more familiar comfort zone desktop applications, the like of Microsoft Word and Microsoft Paint, in the production of postings for a Second Life based forum. You can see here that I've positioned my forum block, as I've called it, in one of my skyboxes, and there are some postings there. And to begin with, anyway, let's scroll up and have a look at those. And here they are. You can see it begins the forum with a dark grey posting. That's the initial, and as we move over, the replies are in lighter grey with the headings of the postings. Note the avatar's image, not the avatar's name, date and timestamps. How do we produce those? Well, I in fact have installed here and produced a forum prim dispenser, and if I touch on that, you'll see a forum prim default is produced. It's resed, and that has instructions for the user: complete and upload a new or reply forum texture to your inventory, set as default for this prim. And that's what we're going to in fact do next. But for that we need to switch over to Word and Paint. Well, in fact now we are in a Microsoft Word document, and there are two text regions, as you can see. The lower text region, which is the main body of the forum posting, I've filled out before so as to mask my poor typing, and I'm going to just in this text region, and you can see this is not an image at all, I'm just going to put the main title for the posting, and I could just say a proposed meeting for coding, full stop. Now notice that this top block has been grouped, and it has the avatar's name, date and time, produced by Word at the time of opening the document. So I can just go into here and I can copy, and I can get my Microsoft Paint application and edit and paste, and there it is. All I need to do now, this is going to become a default texture. Just to navigate my way over to my Second Life folder that I need for my forum block, and I'll just entitle this forum 1H and save that. Close down Paint. It would be useful at this point to actually copy and paste the main body of the forum post, because this will be pasted into the note card that we're going to drop in to our latest posting. Well, here we are once again in the skybox, and you can see the forum here. Our next task, of course, is to upload our new texture and posting to the forum. So I'll go for the texture first, upload, and here we are, forum1.h, and we'll upload that. You can see confirmation of uploading taking place there. That's okay, and I can take that out. That's okay. If I go to my inventory next, if I look in my textures, I will find that new upload is highlighted. There it is, and all I need to do now is to literally drag that over onto the surface of the prim. There we are. There's our new posting labeled nicely. Next I need to drop the actual content of the posting into the forum card, which I have one here prepared as every student will have one prepared in their inventory. At the moment that card is empty, but I did copy that in Word, so I can now Control V, and there it is, copied back in. That's now in the card. Close this down. I now need to position the new posting, so go to Edit. This is a way of getting users into using SL, the editing facilities, as well, so they get an experience of using the system. Need to be sure we are in fact seeing this in 3D and not just from the front there, which was almost 2D. Just put them into place there. Shunt him up a bit. And move him in. That's not so bad. There's our new posting in place. Now it's there, we can actually go to its surface with the mouse. A hand comes up, so something's going on. Click it, and you'll see a dialog appear, and a dialog will allow me to email the new posting to all the users of the forum. It will only email 1K of the note card, but nonetheless that is often about all there is in many forums. Work on getting more of that posted later. Or you can view the post, in other words it will give you the note card. I'll just click ignore for now. But there it is, in place and positioned in sequence with the other postings. Well, here we are at the completed forum. I hope you found the video useful, and the idea of having a forum in Second Life structured in this way of some value. It would seem to put back the physical into the way that we manage our digital information. You can see patterns beginning to emerge here, where you have replies to replies, and I'll be interested to see actually how users and students alike get to adapt this whole concept of being able to move things around physically and put them into different orders, hopefully in some logical pattern, of course. If you have any questions or comments, then please contact me. But for now, from Skipper Abel at Shimmer Island, I'll be seeing you soon.